Chlamydomonas, it may be oval in shape or it may be pear shape. Pear. The anterior end is narrow and the posterior end is broader. This is the shape of the Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. It is made up of single cell, only one cell. This is only one cell. Then the cell wall is made up of, the cell wall is made up of what? Yes, Sagana, very good, ma. Cellulose. This is cell wall. Cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cellulose. What is the shape of this? Pear shape. Perica shape la irukkuda? Yes. Then the anterior end is here narrow. This is the anterior end. This is the posterior end. Anterior end is narrow and the posterior end is somewhat broader. Broad. Nalla broader irukudama? Yes. Then in between the cell wall and the cytoplasm. Here is the cytoplasm. We can see the cytoplasm. In between the cytoplasm and the cell wall, a chloroplast is seen. Chloroplast. Chloroplast only contains the chlorophyll pigment. A very large sized chloroplast. Yes, very good. Isakiraja, inside which the chlorophyll pigment is present. This is chloroplast. Usually, chloroplast. Usually, cell oda center la enna irukuma? What is present at the center of the cell? Nucleus irukkum. But here we can see the a large sized chloroplast. A large sized chloroplast. A large sized chloroplast. Very good. Then this nucleus is present at the center of the chloroplast. Here we can see the nucleus. This is the nucleus. Nucleus. Yes, Hasina, very good. Nucleus. This is the anterior end. This is the posterior end. Then the cell wall, the Chlamydomonas is made up of cellulose. Sorry, cell wall. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Then inside the Chlamydomonas cell, chloroplast is present. At the center of the chloroplast, we can see the nucleus. Nucleus. A large cup-shaped. What is the shape of this chloroplast? Cup-shaped chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast is present. Yes. At the center of the cup-shaped chloroplast, we can see the nucleus. The nucleus is a large dark nucleus is present at the cavity of the cup-shaped chloroplast. Then the anterior part of the cell bears two flagella. Here we can see two flagella. What is the function of this flagella? Can anybody tell me? Very good, Isakiraja. Very good, very good. I appreciate you. Yes. There is Kaitlin, Sudali Lakshmi Rebin, Isakiraja Anston. Yes, movement. It is used for movement. A long whip-like flagella is present at the anterior end. How many flagella? A pair of flagella at both the ends arise. That helps in locomotion. That helps in movement. Or, yes, two flagella. Very good. Yes, Isakiraja, Rebin, yes, Jessica, Azina, Charmada, two flagella are present. These flagella are used for locomotion. Locomotion means movement. Then at the base of each flagellum, at the base, the flagellatoda base la pathina, here we can see two contractile vacuole. This is called contractile vacuole. Contractile. You didn't heard this word, no? Contractile vacuole. What is the function of this contractile vacuole? புதுசா இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு என்ன இந்த contractile vacuole. It is the excretory part of the or excretory structure of the cell. Contractile vacuole. What is the function of this contractile vacuole? It helps in Isakiraja. Very good Isakiraja. It excrete waste, sent out of the waste. Understand? It is excretion. How it excrete the waste? Where this chlamydomonas is seen? The chlamydomonas எங்கம்மா இருக்கும்? Where we can see this chlamydomonas? Yes, in ponds, lakes, rivers, Isakiraja. Very good. Yes. Then always in water. Yes, Sagana. Yes, always in water. So water may easily enter into the body of this chlamydomonas. Inside the body, more water is present. And along with water, the waste also produced inside this chlamydomonas. இந்த chlamydomonasோட செல்லுக்குள்ள நிறைய ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் நடக்குது. ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ் நடக்குது, தென் இன்னும் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் நடக்குது, டைஜஷன் நடக்குது, தென் நிறைய ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் நடக்குது. ஸோ they have to send out the waste formed during this physiological functions. During this functions, during the activities, so many waste products are synthesized. That waste must sent outside. So along with water, the excess water which is present inside the body of the chlamydomonas, the waste material must be sent outside. Then how the waste materials are sent outside? Only through this contractile vacuole. Where these contractile vacuoles are present? At the base of each flagellum. ஒவ்வொரு flagellத்தோட பேஸ்லையும் ஒவ்வொரு contractile vacuole இருக்கு. This contractile vacuole collect the waste material from the cell and along with the excess water, and they move towards the contractile vacuole எல்லாத்தையும் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா இது அப்படி இந்த ஓரத்துக்கு வந்துடும். அந்த செல் வாலோட ஓரத்துக்கு வந்து ஹியர் இட் வில் பர்ஸ்ட் ஆயிரும். பர்ஸ்ட் ஆகி எல்லாத்தையும் வெளியே அனுப்பிடும். சரியா? along with waste, the excess water is also sent outside. Then new contractile vacuole is produced. இந்த contractile vacuole வந்து என்ன பண்ணிடும்னா அப்படி when it gets older, அது வயசாக ஆக வேஸ்ட் எல்லாம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணி வெளியே போய் பர்ஸ்ட் ஆயிரும். சரியா? அந்த செல் வாலோட அந்த பெரிஃபெரியில அந்த ஓரத்துல வந்து நின்றுட்டு என்ன செஞ்சிடும்? இட் வில் பர்ஸ்ட். So the waste along with the excess water will be sent outside. Then new contractile vacuole will be present at the base of the flagella. சரியா? எஸ். அப்போ ஒவ்வொரு கான்ட்ராக்டைல் வேக்யூலும் வந்து வெளியே போய் பர்ஸ்ட் ஆக ஆக நியூ கான்ட்ராக்டைல் வேக்யூல் வந்து அந்த செல்லுக்குள்ள ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடும். That so it helps in excretion. Excretion means sending out of waste material. Then the anterior side of the chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. No, the chloroplast ஓட anterior endல ஒரு ஐ ஸ்பாட் இருக்கும். இந்த இடத்துல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there is an eye spot. ஐ ஸ்பாட்னா அது வந்து they can't see, சும்மா ஒரு டார்க் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கு, that we call eye spot. அதோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து கரெக்டாக இல்லை, அது வந்து நாட் ஃபார் விஷன். சரியா? இது வந்து இட் இஸ் அ பிளான்ட் லைக் தான், அதனால விஷனுக்கெல்லாம் அது யூஸ் ஆகாது. there is a dark spot at the anterior end of the chloroplast that we call the cup shaped chloroplast. இது கேட்கலாமா? What is the shape of the chloroplast present in chlamydomonas? What is the shape? Cup shaped chloroplast. Cup shaped? Yes, Sagana, cup shaped chloroplast. Then what is the function of contractile vacuole? What is the function of contractile vacuole in chlamydomonas? It helps in sending out of waste or it helps in excretion. Sagana, very good. Then where these contractile vacuoles are present? At the base of each flagellum. ரெண்டு flagellத்தோட பேஸ்ல இந்த contractile vacuole இருக்கும். Then where the nucleus is located in chlamydomonas? Nucleus is located. At the center of Sagana Aruniswar, at the center of Muhammad Nafal. Very good, Isaac Raja. Center of chloroplast. At the center of the cup-shaped chloroplast, a large nucleus is seen. Then, Chlamydomonas exhibit sexual and asexual method of reproduction. This Chlamydomonas, they can reproduce by two methods. Sexual. Syed, what do you want? You are saying thank you, Miss. Why? We are having 10 more minutes. Listen the class. Yes. So the Chlamydomonas, they reproduces by both sexual method and asexual method. Sexual method and how they sexually reproduce by producing gametes. சரியாமா? Gametes வந்து produce பண்ணி, gamete means male gamete and female gamete. That is sperm and ovum. அந்த மாதிரி sperm ஓவத்தையும் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணி செக்ஷுவல் மெத்தட்லையும் ரீப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ எசெக்ஷுவல் மெத்தட். எசெக்ஷுவல் மெத்தட் இதில் என்ன மெத்தடில் ரீப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, யூஸ்வலாக பைனரி ஃபிஷன். இப்படி ரெண்டாக டிவைட் ஆகும். சரியா? இப்படி ரெண்டாக டிவைட் ஆகி ரெண்டு டாட்டர் செல்ஸை வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும். தட் இஸ் த asexual method of reproduction in Chlamydomonas. This is Chlamydomonas is a unicellular algae. Chlamydomonas is an unicellular structure of Chlamydomonas. Are you all clear, students? Can you understand? Can you follow me? Is it clear for you? Yes. Then some more points. Some algae have other photosynthetic pigments. Yes, Isaki Raja, thank you. Thank you, Krishna Raja. Thank you so much. Yes, Sudali Lakshmi, thank you. Some algae, they have some other pigments. Usually, the algae possess which pigment, ma? Einstein? Very good. Thank you, Einstein. Jay Lakshmi, thank you. What is the pigment present in algae? Be quick. You are all very smart students. Chlorophyll. Yes, very good. Yes, Fatima, Fahima, yes, Sudali Lakshmi, chlorophyll pigment, green pigment. But in some algae, instead of this green pigment, other colored pigments are also present. For example, I said in sargassum, what is the pigment present in sargassum, the multicellular algae? What is the pigment present in sargassum? Very good, Isaki Raja. Brown pigment. So we can call it as brown algae. Yes. Rebin. Yes. Venkatesh, Nafal, Samrin, Selvan Ainar. Brown algae. So sargassum is a brown algae. Like in some other algae, we can see the yellow colored pigments. Yellow colored pigment that we call xanthophyll. Xanthophyll pigment. Then some other algae, red algae, we can say it as red algae. That pigment is called phycoerythrin. It may be asked in one word. Phycoerythrin. Then in some others, blue pigment is present that we call phycocyanin. Brown pigment is called fucosanthin. These are all the different types of pigment, not xantho. Xanthophil. These are all different types of pigment present in different algae. Not only green pigment, but also some other pigments are present in algae. If brown pigment is called fucosanthin, yellow colored pigment is called xanthophil, then red colored phycoerythrin, blue colored pigment is called phycocyanin. It can be asked in one word, very, very important. Then example for multicellular algae, Venkatesh, X pa. You have to type instead of S, X, xanthophyll. Multicellular algae, example sargassum, then Spirogyra. Spirogyra is given in your book. Yes, I'll explain with the help of PPT. Listen carefully. I explained clearly, but I am going to revise with the help of PPT. Structure of Chlamydomonas. Yes. This is Chlamydomonas. This is the Chlamydomonas. Some are immediately scribbling on the screen. Chlamydomonas. This is a unicellular algae, Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Then here we can see the sargassum. Here the sargassum. Sargassum is present. This is a multicellular macroscopic unicellular algae, Chlamydomonas. This green in color. The number of Chlamydomonas joined to form the colony. ஒரு colony மாதிரி இருக்கும். It is a multicellular algae, Volvox. Then Ulothrix. Ulothrix is also an example for multicellular algae. Then Frischella. It is also a multicellular algae. Alva is also a multicellular algae. Hydrodictyon. Then, yes. Shall I revise it, ma? Chlamydomonas. Listen carefully. Within 5 minutes, the class will be over. So, listen. Yes. The Chlamydomonas is a simple unicellular motile freshwater algae. Simple unicellular motile freshwater algae. Then what is the shape of this Chlamydomonas? It may be oval in shape, it may be spherical in shape, or in pyriform. Pyriform means pear shape. It will be pear shape. It is the common one. The pear-shaped algae is the pear-shaped Chlamydomonas we can see in common. Then they have narrow anterior end and broad posterior end. Then the cell wall of this Chlamydomonas is made up of cellulose. Then cell contains dark nucleus inside the cup-shaped chloroplast. Cell contains a large dark nucleus inside the cup-shaped chloroplast. The chloroplastக்குள்ள தான் அந்த சென்டர்ல என்ன இருக்குது? The nucleus is present. Then anterior part has two flagella that helps in locomotion. Then two contractile vacuoles are seen at the base of each flagellum. ஒவ்வொரு flagellத்தோட பேஸ்லயும் ஒவ்வொரு contractile vacuole இருக்கும். Then anterior side of the chloroplast contain a tiny red color eye spot. அதோட anterior endல பாத்தீங்கன்னா chloroplast அந்த cup shaped chloroplastோட anterior endல என்ன இருக்கும்? A red color eye spot is present. Then Chlamydomonas exhibit both the sexual method of reproduction and asexual method of reproduction. Then